Hey everyone, we're delving into the Razer Viper Vi 3 Pro Wireless, one of the year's most anticipated gaming accessories. With its ultra-lightweight design, state-of-the-art technology, and high-performance features, this mouse stands out among those aimed at professional esport players and devoted gamers. Does it, however, warrant the higher price? Let's investigate. At under 54 grams, the Razer Viper V3 Pro is an engineering wonder. The mouse's feather-light look belies its robust and dependable plastic construction, which avoids the perforated patterns frequently found in lightweight competitors. RGB lighting is not a part of its minimalist design, which only concentrates on performance and usefulness. The Focus Pro Gen 2 sensor, which has an incredible 35,000 dpi resolution, is at the center of this gadget. The option exists for extreme precision, especially in fast-paced FPS or RTS games, even though most gamers would not require such high sensitivity. The mouse is a great option for professional gaming because it has top tracking speed of 650 IPS and a maximum acceleration of 70 G. The hyper-polling dongle, which raises the polling rate to an astounding 8,000 Hz, is one of the most notable features. This guarantees buttery smooth responsiveness, which is particularly apparent in high-action situations like fast maneuvers or firefights. Polling rate affects battery performance. You can anticipate using it for up to 95 hours at 1,000 Hz and about 17 hours at 8,000 Hz. The USB-C port fuels the receiver and manages charging and wired operation. Playing without interruption is ensured by the usual 10-meter wireless range. The mouse is compatible with Razer Synapse 4, a robust configuration tool that allows you to fine-tune DPI settings, change the lift-off distance between 26 distinct levels, and enable sensitivity matching for smooth mouse switching. In order to save battery life when necessary, the program also lets you dynamically change polling rates while playing. The Viper Vi 3 Pro's buttons are arranged for right-handed operation, despite its symmetrical design. The DPI and power switch are ideally situated on the bottom, and it has 5 programmable buttons. On a variety of surfaces, including metal, glass, plastic, and cloth, the Teflon feet guarantee a smooth glide. Almost all technical aspects of the Razer Viper Vi 3 Pro are excellent. It is an excellent option for competitive gaming because of its incredibly light design, strong sensor, and cutting-edge polling technology. Long-term endurance is guaranteed by the build quality, and the buttons are both tactile and silent. However, aficionados of visual flair may be disappointed by the scroll wheel's lack of further functions and RGB lights. Additionally, it might not be appropriate for left-handed users. A feat of engineering and design, the Razer Viper Vi 3 Pro Wireless offers amazing performance in a small package. Its state-of-the-art capabilities, especially the 8,000 Hz polling rate, raise the bar for gaming accessories. Although some may find the lack of RGB and left-hand compatibility to be disadvantages, for avid gamers, the entire experience makes the cost worthwhile. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I will leave them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.